situation like this, every second counts. A person's chance of survival drops from 7 to 10% for every minute without help. So today, we're going to demonstrate something that can save life. CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation. By the end of our demonstration, you will learn 3 important steps. Call, check, and compress.
Step 1. Check the scene and the victim. The first step is check. Before rushing in, make sure the scene is safe for you and the victim. Look out for fire, traffic, or anything dangerous. Next, check if the victim is responsive. Tap their shoulders and shout, "Are you okay?" If there's no response, check their breathing. Place your ear to the mouth and nose and listen for no more than 10 seconds. If the victim is only breathing or only gasping, we move to the next step.
Step 2. Call for help. The second step is call. If you're not alone, point to someone specific and say, "You call 911 and get an AED. Being direct avoids confusion. If you're alone, call the emergency service right away. And then, return to the victim. Now, what is an AED? AED stands for Automated External Defibrillator. It's a small portable machine that checks the heart rhythm and if needed, gives an electric shock to have the heart beat normal again. The best part is that it talks to you and gives step-by-step instructions so anyone can use it safely.
Heart push deep, at least 2 inches down. Let the chest recoil, don't let it rebound. Stay in the rhythm, 100 to 100.
The third step is compression, the most important part of CPR. Place the heel of one hand at the center of the chest right between the nipples. Put your other foot up, lock your elbows and position your shoulders directly above your hands. Push at least 2 inches deep at a rate of 100 to 100 compressions. That's about the beat of song Staying Alive. Allow the chest to rise only after each push. If you're trained, you can give rescue breaths, 30 compressions followed by 2 breaths. If not, do hands-only CPR. Continuous compressions until help arrives or the victim starts breathing.
The most important thing is to act quickly. Thank you. Let's all remember that your hands can save life.
Stay in